Hey everyone, today I'm diving into something I've been super excited to share with you: container grown papaya trees. It's been almost a year since we started this little experiment, and honestly, I'm amazed with the results so far. They've turned out pretty good. I'm a huge fan of the papaya fruit, so I cannot wait for these babies to start bearing some fruits. Right now, I've got two trees remaining, one grown directly from the seed and is raised entirely indoors, and the other is store bought, and I'm experimenting with that one outdoors. But let's rewind a little. I want to walk you through how we grew this indoor tree from seed. I want to walk you through the process step by step. So, first step, start with a good, nice, ripe papaya. Scoop out all the seeds and put away as many as possible for planting. Give the seeds a good rinse to get rid of the pulp. You don't want to have any of that fruit gunk hanging around. It can mess up germination. So try to give it a good rinse. Next step, drop the cleaned seeds into a container of water. The ones that float, toss them. They usually don't have enough nutrients to sprout, and we're only keeping the sinkers. Those are your winners. Then pop a few seeds into a small pot filled with good quality soil. I like to put a few seeds into each container just in case some are duds. Here I'm placing about 5 to 6 seeds in one container. That might be way too many, but we'll see how it turns out. Place your pot somewhere nice and warm because papaya seeds love a toasty environment. And look at this. 2 weeks later, we have tons of sprouts. And then it just takes off from there. We only kept a few. We were able to give some away, and some just didn't survive. This plant lives indoors 100%. We haven't brought it outside at all. It stays by the window and gets a bit of, it gets some sunlight from the window and some bonus light from the greenhouse next to it. And it's thriving pretty good. I did notice something cool about this. The stem started to bend towards the greenhouse. Whenever it doesn't get enough sunlight, it starts to bend. So you can see a little bend in the middle right there. I actually noticed that with a lot of the plants that is next to the tree house. They tend to bend towards the light wherever they can. Whenever they don't get enough light, they'll reach for the brightest source, like some little plant detectives. So this is something interesting that was pretty fascinating stuff, I would say. Anyway, moving on to the outdoor plant. This one, like I said, I'm keeping this completely outdoor throughout the spring and summer. During the winter, I will transfer it back indoors. As you can see, the stem on this one, it's really thick and sturdy. You can see how vibrant the new growth is. Occasionally, the older leaves will at the base will fall off as the new ones shoot up from the top, which is totally normal for papaya tree. Anyways, I will keep you posted on how these trees are doing. I realize growing papayas in containers has honestly been such a fun and rewarding experience. Whether you got a backyard or just a sunny window, it's totally doable. And you might just end up with your own little tropical harvest. If you enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.